Here's some Woman artist trivia. Subscribe. What artist is known for Just a Girl? Is it A. Green Day, B. Kelly Clarkson, C. No Doubt, or D. Alanis Morissette? The correct answer is C. No Doubt. Who composed the opera Aida? Is it A. Verdi, B. Wagner, C. Puccini, or D. Mozart? The correct answer is A. Verdi. Which woman is famous for respect? Is it A. Aretha Franklin, B. Diana Ross, C. Tina Turner, or D. Janis Joplin? The correct answer is A. Aretha Franklin. What artist created the dinner party? Is it A. Cindy Sherman, B. Frida Kahlo, C. Georgia O'Keeffe, or D. Judy Chicago? The correct answer is D. Judy Chicago. Which woman wrote The Handmaid's Tale? Is it A. Toni Morrison, B. Margaret Lawrence, C. Virginia Woolf, or D. Margaret Atwood? The correct answer is D. Margaret Atwood. What artist painted the Two Fridas? Is it A. Diego Rivera, B. Frida Kahlo, C. Claude Monet, or D. Georgia O'Keeffe? The correct answer is B. Frida Kahlo. Who composed Clair de Lune? Is it A. Igor Stravinsky, B. Johann Sebastian Bach, C. Claude Debussy, or D. Frédéric Chopin? The correct answer is C. Claude Debussy. What pop star is known for poker face? Is it A. Taylor Swift, B. Rihanna, C. Lady Gaga, or D. Katy Perry? The correct answer is C. Lady Gaga. Who directed The Piano? Is it A. Jane Campion, B. Ang Lee, C. Quentin Tarantino, or D. Sofia Coppola? The correct answer is A. Jane Campion. Who is the vocalist behind Piece of My Heart? Is it A. Joni Mitchell, B. Joan Baez, C. Janis Joplin, or D. Aretha Franklin? The correct answer is C. Janis Joplin. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.